Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung rating natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates, guys. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi ko naman talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. So, bahala ka na kung makaka-relate ka, makaka-resonate ka, okay? Kung hindi, okay lang, may next readings pa naman tayo. And if you want, pwede kang mag-follow din sa akin sa TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Check mo na lang, guys. And, simulan na natin. Lastly pala, no, yung mga friend ko, Jing Tarot Reader, Pisces, Palmis, paki-subscribe na lang din yung mga YouTube nila. And simulan natin. Okay. Na-cleanse ko na ngayon ng space now. Kunin muna natin yung mini energy mo. And then yung person mo. And then kung ano yung situation sa inyo. Okay. Sana mag-comment ka dyan sa baba ha. Kahit heart-heart lang, smiley. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. Nagpapakita ng malaking suporta yun. So, sana mag-iwan kayo kahit ano pong comment. Basta positive. Okay, for you Virgo, you do have the Queen of Swords. Five of Wands. And the Ace of Cups. Okay. The Empress is here at the bottom of the deck. So, nakikita natin, I feel like nagko-concentrate ka ngayon sa pagfo-focus sa iyong sarili, sa pagmamahal sa iyong sarili. Part of you, hindi mo gusto yung nakikita mo. Maybe sa salamin, maybe sa career mo, you know, kaya nga, tinatry mong ayusin eh. Finances mo, pwedeng ganon. Or sa itsura mo mismo. So, you want to make changes. Now, nakikita natin mahal mo yung sarili mo, no? But this time, gusto mong ipakita sa sarili mo yung pagmamahal na yan. Kailangan na gusto mong ayusin. No? Yung iba, making some kind of improvements. Pagka-cut off or pag-aalis ng mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong para sa'yo. Diba? Pwedeng nagka-cut off ka ng, maybe for some of you, making hobby na makakatulong para mas mag-improve ka, mas mag-improve yung iyong health or ang iyong finances. And then yung iba sa inyo, maybe yung iba nagpagupit, pwedeng ganun, or nagpaayos ng buhok, or maybe sa skin, may ina-add sa skincare routine, any kind of changes. And then pagka-cut off din naman ng hindi nakakatulong sa iyo. Like for example, pagbabago ng routine sa tulog, ganyan, or maybe nag-exercise, ganyan. So, may mga nakita tayong kina-cut off at may mga dinadagdag din naman para maging mas maging okay, mas maging mas maganda. Okay? And, wait lang guys. Buksan ko lang ng konti yung aking. Yan, para medyo mas maliwanag. And then, nakakita ko ng mga tao sa paligid mo na they find you attractive. Pwedeng ikaw, hindi mo yun hahalata or hindi mo yun napapansin, but may mga tao sa paligid mo na parang makikita nila yung maganda sa'yo. No? And you are concentrated masyado sa mga gusto mong baguhin sa sarili mo. Pero may mga tao sa paligid mo naman na they like who you are. They like what you are. Diba? Hindi na sila naghahangad ng more or less. Basta ikaw. Gusto nila kung ano yung nakikita nila sa'yo. They admire you a lot. And, nakita rin ako ng mga toxic na tao sa paligid mo. Ang dami nilang pinag-uusapan na hindi maganda laban sa'yo. Pero, parang talong-talo mo kasi sila. You know? And, baliwala yung mga pinag-uusapan or pinagsasabi nila. Now, punta tayo dito sa person na kakonect mo. You are the Queen of Swords here, oh. So, ikaw yung queen na walang pakialam. Diba? The Queen of Swords is someone na parang, I don't care kung anong sabihin nila. I don't care kung anong tingin nila sa akin. Basta ako magfo-focus ako sa itsura ko sa ano. Whether they like me or not, wala akong pakialam. Especially you are the Empress and the Queen of Swords. So, yan yung mga energies na parang nagpapakita ng ang concentration mo, sarili mo. Wala kang pakialam sa iniisip or sinasabi ng iba. Now, you do have your King of Coins. This is the person that you're dealing with. The 8 of Cups. 9 of Coins. 8 of Coins is at the bottom of the deck. I want to know first yung situation ninyong dalawa ng taong to. What is the situation between the two of you? One last shuffle. Ayan. Sitwasyon sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito. Okay, you do have here the insatiable. Bottom of the deck is the tragedy and the gossip. So, I feel like my connection sa inyo ng taong ito na very cold. Actually, there's this ice. So, may kita mo yung yellow. It's very cold energy. And, kasi with the tragedy, pwedeng you do have your forbidden love. So, there's hindi pwedeng connection sa inyo ng person na ito. So, bakit kailangan mo siyang i-cut off? Kung bakit kailangan mong maging cold or kailangan niya maging cold sa'yo. You know what I mean? And this person could be someone na nagfo-focus sa kanyang, I mean, the both of you are nagfo-focus sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong buhay. This is a person na nakikitaan natin ng money with the King of Coins, and the 9 of Coins is showing success. So, you could be dealing with someone who is already successful, may pera, very hardworking person. And, sabihin na natin, pag tinignan mo siya, may future, itong taong to. And, a lot of people, ina-admire nila itong taong ito because, they could be dealing, yung iba could be dealing with someone who is popular, pwedeng popular itong taong ito. Kung hindi man, could be a businessman, businesswoman, or someone na very professional. I'm seeing a person who has a lot of money, has a lot of sources of income. Pwedeng ganon. Pero kung hindi man, this is a person na talagang may sinasabi or may masasabi. Pwedeng nasa mataas or nasa kilalang pamilya, ganyan, or financially talagang wala akong masabi dito sa person na to. Talagang nasa taas siya. And, tell me more. Tell me more. For the sign of Virgo. You do have here the Six of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords, High Priestess. Bottom of the deck is the King of Swords. Palace of Coins, the Ten of Coins, Page of Coins, yan. The Tower is here at the bottom of the deck. So, kukuha ko ng deck, ng card dito sa deck na ito. One last shuffle. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Drastic. So, intervention, racing, and history. So, with the history, this could be a person in the past. No? Masyado naging mabilis. If this is a past person, naging masyadong mabilis yung inyong connection. No? Dahil sa mga naging sitwasyon na biglang dumating sa inyo na might be naka-apekto kung bakit biglang nawala ng communication, nawala whatever, pero naging mabilis lahat. And then, you have the Six of Pentacles. Nasaktan ka in the past. Nakikita natin. Nasaktan ka in the past. Na-fall ka, nahulog ka dito sa taong to. And then, I feel like may mga pinagsisisihan ka rin. Mga bagay na pwedeng hindi mo ginawa or ginawa mo dito sa connection na ito. Pwedeng ganun. Diba? With the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Swords, minahal mo tong tao to or mahal mo pa siya hanggang ngayon. Pero pinipilit mo yung sarili mo na hindi pwede. Wag. Or someone, either ikaw ito na nagpipilit sa sarili mo na wag, hindi pwede, or may someone na nagsasabi sa'yo wag, hindi pwede. Alin man doon. And the High Priestess could be dealing with your soulmate, pero ayaw mong mapahiya or ayaw mong maging masama ang tingin sa'yo ng iba or ng tao, or you feel like hindi pwede kasi to, or you feel like hindi ka tatanggapin or hindi pwede talaga at all. Especially with the Palace of Coins, the Ten of Coins, and the Page of Coins. Okay, financially, magaling or okay tong taong to eh. Diba? And, kumbaga kung tingin mo sa kanya, nasa taas siya. Diba? Lalo na with the Tower. Hindi ka sanay sa ganun. Either, pag pumatol ka kasi sa isang tao, either kapantay mo lang siya ng estado sa buhay or mas below sa'yo. Medyo mas mababa ang taong ito. You know? So, yun lang yung sabihin na natin pinapatulan mo. Hindi ka sanay sa ganito. And, you don't want this person na maging someone na imamanipula ka. Or maybe nag-overthink ka na itong person na ito, imamanipulate lang ako nito, kakayanin lang ako nito. Kaya hindi ka pumapatol sa katulad niya na mataas ang katayuan. No? Although you are the king and the queen, but these are all swords. Ayan, ikaw yan eh. You are a sword. Now, sa tarot reading, yung sword kasi is all about thinking or pag-iisip. Some of you could also be a professional. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na mababa ka na talaga. Pero you're a professional. Pero masyado kang nag-overthink. Sabihin natin, mas nangingibabaw ngayon yung nasa isip mo. No? And sa ngayon, hindi okay. Hindi okay. Ngayon, puntahan natin yung future ninyong dalawa ng person na ito. Future ng person. You do have the Queen of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, the Ten of Pentacles, the Ten of Wands. Okay, I want to know more. Three of Swords, the Moon. Future. Four of Coins. Could be dealing with an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo is also here. And yeah. Ten of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Bottom of the deck is the Tower. Situation in the near future. Family and Divine Feminine. Bottom of the deck is Come Together. Ito dalawa lang yan. If you're dealing with a twin flame, the future is dalawa, nakikita ko. Alam mo yon. If you're dealing with a twin flame, kung alam mo twin flame mo tong taon to, there's a reconciliation coming. May reconciliation. Kung ano man yung matatapos dito, maybe yung kaguluhan or yung pagkakahiwalay ninyong dalawa. No? I feel like for some of you, you're going to build a family together. Nitong taon to. And whether there's children na involved, nakakita tayo ng mga children na nagsasama. Okay? So, maybe children mula sa side mo or children sa side niya, and then I can see them being together and building a home with this person. Kung ito ay twin flame. Why? Because the Strength card here is showing us a strong connection. Ayan, with the Strength card, napakatibay ng connection na ito eh. Yung mga material things, material na bagay sa inyo is hindi nagiging hadlang. And with the Ten of Cups, this is a happy family between the two of you. Okay? Kung ano man yung natatapos dito with the Tower, this is the Moon, which is the spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa. Pwede maging actual ang connection na ito in the future. Because, yeah, you do have here the circle. So, hindi binubuo ninyo yung bilog kasi it's like you're the half circle, your person is the half circle, and I can see a whole circle here. So, that is the two of you. Okay? And, if hindi naman twin flame yung kakonect mo, I can see the Three of Swords. There's a potential of a third-party situation na magiging dahilan para ito ay magiging mahirap na connection. And I don't see na mag-work out ng connection na ito because of the third party, or yung third party could be the family. Sinasabi ko dito, pwedeng hindi naman literal na third party na may love. Pwedeng yung pamilya ang magiging hadlang. Why? Kasi nakakita naman tayo ng success sa'yo because you love what you're doing. Kung hindi mo mahal yung ginagawa mo, I'm telling you right now na mag-shift ka or lumipat ka sa work, sa career, o sa negosyo na alam mong mahal mo, gusto mo yung negosyo na yun. I can see you loving whatever you're doing. Doon mo makukuha yung money. Kung sa tingin mo, hindi ka masaya sa ginagawa mo, hindi mo gusto yung career mo na yan, mag-shift ka as much as possible. The Ten of Wands is here. So, nakikita natin yung marami kang kaagaw na energy. Kung hindi ito twin flame, you feel like soulmate, pero parang soulmate kasi sa tarot reading naririnig mo, pero hindi mo nararamdaman talaga yung energy ng soulmate. Hindi siya lumalabas sa dreams mo. Then this is not a soulmate energy. Maaaring na feeling mo lang soulmate. So, hindi ganun. Nakita tayo dito ng separation sa inyong dalawa, and it would be hard na pilitin ang connection na ito kasi marami ka ng kaagaw. Okay? So, in the future, you concentrate on yourself, you concentrate dito sa mga bagay na mahal mo, gusto mo, kasi ito yung magbibigay ng pera sa'yo. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.